impromptu serenade. A serenade to the toes. Yeah. Yeah. Did mommy fall off her bicycle again? She's got her foot propped up, and somebody is doing his special healing impromptu serenade to the toes. He says, Mom, there's no healer like a feathered healer, Mom. There's no healer like a feathered healer, and everybody knows the healing power of music, Mom. Yeah. Each of my carefully chosen dulcet tones, Mom. My carefully chosen dulcet tones, Mom, are designed with healing in mind, so the mommy guard can get back to feeling better and providing the top-notch VIP customer service I've become accustomed to, Mom. I've become accustomed to, Mom. Oh, he's so cute.